So today we're going to review finally the Frosted Mini Wheats Pumpkin Spice Cereal. I am a Caucasian female in my 20s, so this was marketed towards me. And we're gonna see how it tastes. It tastes like, it still tastes mainly like the Frosted Mini Wheats, but you can definitely smell some spices on there. I like it. I really do. I'm pledging right now with the wrong hand. It doesn't look like my hand on camera. I promise I'm not under any substances. It's in the morning. I do like it. I've decided. The only thing weird is it's weird that it's cold. I guess I'm used to the pumpkin spice being warm because that's just how I drink it. I don't know if you can get it cold. I'm sure you can. But I like it fine. I know that dog experts say that they don't remember what they've done, and the only times that they show that they feel guilty is when you are, you're mad at them, and so they think you're mad at them, and so they feel bad about that. But let me show you how wrong that is.
Lunch, and I get the bread out, and there's a hole in it, and so I don't say anything. I just show the back to Lucy and look at this face. I'm not yelling at her. I'm just showing her the bread, and she totally did it. Yeah, she does feel guilty, huh? Yeah.
Hard to punish a dog whenever you discover it way after the fact of what they've done, because it's like, okay, so if they don't remember what they've done, they just think you're yelling at them for no reason. So it's like, well, I'm just kind of a dog that gets into random food. So anyway, I've added wet food to my dog's diet because she's been jealous of the cat, and because the cat was getting wet food, and so I thought that would stop her from getting into food that doesn't belong to her, but no. Y'all, I try not to make my dog fat, but she just is determined.
Accessories, which add acupressure massage and deepens the lumbar stretch. Plus, you'll receive the healthy back and core system.
You my happy baby.
If you call now, we'll also upgrade your order to free expedited processing. This thing is mine.
We're just sitting here eating our snacks and watching Curious George. Now, babies don't really, don't understand language on electronics. The only language they understand is when it's spoken. So no, this doesn't help with vocabulary. So I really try not to do too much TV, but I'm starting to introduce it to him. He's eating his snacks and watching TV and his shorts, and he's just so cute. Got your train track? It's a very colorful train track.
In the winter, the days are short, so it's dark at dinner time and dark at bedtime. But now it's spring, so the days are longer.
Ollie.
Like when you eat dinner and like when you go to bed.
That tickle.
7:30 means bedtime, no matter how late it is outside, George.
Oh no, you got 2 plates. Lucy's waiting for you to be finished with your lunch. Our little vacuum. Oh, oh.
so much. I'm so glad you're my son. Whoa, 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 wow. 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 Are you the next Owen Wilson? Wow. So we had dinner. Oh, Beatles. I don't want to turn them down. Hold on. I'll vlog after this song. It's after dinner. We're headed to Target. I just had to get out.
Ollie did need a few things.
Yeah, we needed to get Ollie new pajamas and a new bumper for his crib, because if you've ever noticed, his bumper is looking pretty sad on his crib. And
No longer very functional.
no, it's not. So we're gonna get a new bumper, a new sleeper, and probably some other spur of the moment things. But yeah, it's a 2-for-1. We needed some for Ollie, and it's gonna be a good day when we have 2 cars. Not that it's not working now. It's, we're making do. But, it's nice to have your freedom.
True that.
True dat. True dat. Hi, my cutie. We're going on a walk. Well, we just walked around our duck pond and we're headed home to put Ollie to bed. So, thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Goodbye.